Meaning of honest broker.
Honest broker.
Honest broker.
Honest broker.
Honest broker. An honest broker is a person or entity that acts impartially and without bias when mediating disputes or negotiations between parties. They do not take sides or have a vested interest in the outcome, but instead focus on finding a fair and mutually acceptable solution. The role of an honest broker is critical in resolving complex issues and conflicts and maintaining trust among all parties involved. By being trustworthy and objective, an honest broker can foster constructive dialogue and facilitate peaceful resolution of disputes.